Do you want to know how to get started in the stock market? Are you brand new and don't know how to get started? Well, stick around. I'm going to give you 4 simple steps to get started in the stock market. Hey, my name's David and I run letsquitourjobs.com. If you've never been around the stock market before and you're looking to get started for the very first time and you don't know what a PE ratio is or forward PE, you've come to the right place. Alright, so step number 1 is if we're brand new, we don't know how to do anything in the stock market. We don't know what any of the terms are. We don't know any of the basics. What we want to do is just like anything else, we want to educate ourselves. So what we need to do is go to YouTube, you're already here, and we need to find somebody that can translate the stock market into a way that we can understand it. Thankfully, there are plenty of teachers out there that are fully capable of doing this. We just need to find the people that are able to do it so that we can understand it. Likely we've talked to somebody in the past before and they've used these terms and they're just not able to explain it to us that we can resonate with us and stick to us and make us understand it. The 2 people that I recommend is Phil Town from Rule 1 Investing and then Jeremy from Financial Education. Those are the 2 people that have been able to explain the stock market and the terms and the basis and the theories of it in a way that I can understand it and start to move forward. Number 2, continue with the education, is we're going to read a little bit. This is the Rule 1 Investing book by Phil Town. This is actually my second copy. The first copy I bought was Kindle. It turns out I'm not a real big fan of reading Kindle, and I bought the hard copy so I can mark in it and go through it and really digest it. I will leave a link to this description a link to this book in the description below. Alright, so the third step is we need to start downloading some apps. Continue with the education. First 2 steps are definitely about education. The first 3 steps, the third one is related, as we need to download a couple of apps. I recommend Yahoo Finance and MarketWatch. MarketWatch has a lot of articles on there that we can use to get a better grasp of what's going on in the stock market and what's going on in the future and things that we can look forward to. Plus there's some people that run different portfolios that we can watch and follow along there too. And then Yahoo Finance, I use that one when I'm looking up the different companies that I'm interested in. And then number 4, the easiest way to get involved in the stock market, and number 1 way I recommend it, is to download an app called Robinhood. Robinhood, if you use the link in the description below, you and me will both get a free stock. Now, I don't think there's any better way to get involved in the stock market than just simply get a free stock. In fact, my first free stock from referring a friend from work was JP Morgan. At the time, it was $114 worth of a free stock. It's not a bad deal. So I'm going to leave that description below. Hopefully you'll get a JP Morgan like I did. And there's a 1 in 3 chance that we'll even get Apple or Facebook. So I hope you get that stock and root for me too. If you want to use that link, use that link below to download your copy or your app. Go ahead. Until next time, see you guys.